This year, at International Woodworking Fair 2026, discover the future of the woodworking industry. Meet SSR, a global wood manufacturing platform. Explore our comprehensive wood countertop programs with butcher block countertop, workbench top, tabletop, and outdoor living solutions, wood decking tile, outdoor furniture sets. Based in Vietnam, SSR is a manufacturer and exporter serving global wood product markets. Combining a skilled workforce, modern facilities, and internationally standardized processes, we help distributors, retailers, and OEM/ODM partners develop wood product programs. Ensure controlled quality standards across every production batch. We maintain stable supply for long-term partnership. Beyond manufacturing, our wood surfaces become part of everyday living, helping shape functional and inspiring outdoor living spaces, because great partnerships bring meaningful products into homes built with care and love. Looking for a manufacturing partner in Southeast Asia? Meet our team at IWF 2026 Georgia World Congress Center on August 25th to 28th. Booth C610